Namaste TP fam and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is the most awaited video. काफ़ी सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स पूछ रहे थे कि आपने IKEA से क्या क्या ख़रीदा है, आपने कोई हॉल वीडियो क्यों नहीं किया है. So yeah, I am back with a haul video, and in today's video I'm going to share what are the products I bought from IKEA recently. मैंने आपसे actually share किया था वो video जो मेरा IKEA टूर था. सो देर वॉज 40% सेल इन IKEA और मैंने वहाँ से कुछ चीज़ें ली है. कुछ मुझे चाहिए थी एंड कुछ सेल में थी तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी एंड क्यूट प्रोडक्ट्स थे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द हॉल. So first let's start with this watering can. This watering can is so stylish and yet so functional. It is ideal for watering small plants. Now there was a sale on this one and not the other cream color one. But yes, it's still so stylish with this color combo. I love the golden handle and also the spout that helps in watering plants without any spillage. Next, let's talk about this cute plant mister. It is available with a great price. It's a must-have for all the plant lovers. It has a strong glass bottle to hold water. The details in the glass is very pretty. However, its nozzle is not metal and made of plastic. But it looks cute on my window next to my little plants. I also got this green spray bottle. I love the quality of the spray bottle and it can be used in multiple ways around the house. I bought it for my DIY cleaning liquid. I love the color and it is easy on the pocket. Next is this beautiful glass vase. This is a lovely glass vase at a really great price. I love the stripe detailing in the vase. I bought them to grow my little pothos in water. IKEA has a huge collection of crockeries and kitchen products. Now, I have been eyeing on this range of serving plates for quite a long time. ये काफ़ी स्टाइलिश है and heavy भी. Perfect for serving your guest. मुझे इसकी पूरी सेट बनानी है, but धीरे धीरे I'll purchase them. It is available in 2 colors. The dark blue color one is also very elegant. IKEA also has a wide range of coffee and tea mugs collection. This one being one of my favorite. Now this cup has a very rustic look and it looks like a pottery. I got 2 of them. This stainless steel tong is very handy. It is another addition to my kitchen. I think they will look beautiful as a serving ware. Next, I got this great looking wooden tong. It's cheaper in price, but the grip I felt was a bit stiff. We'll review it in my upcoming videos. I also purchased few things from their textile and linen section. First, I'll start with these curtains. Now, these sheer curtains are absolutely perfect for styling and privacy. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. I got a pair of these curtains for just rupees 600. It is very competitively priced. It brought so much grace to my windows, and the pattern on them is beyond gorgeous. IKEA के bedsheets मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं की, but this bedsheet just stole my heart. इसकी prints and इसकी soft fabric मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. और ये combination में मेरे पास कोई bedspread थी नहीं, so I just bought them. And I think I did a good purchase. You will also get 2 pillow covers with it. Now, if you have been following me for quite a long time, then you must be knowing my love for cushion covers. Now, this pair of cushion cover is so elegant. ये आपको embroidered लगेगी, but ये embroidered नहीं है. These are all prints. Colorful है, तो you can style it in your own way. इसकी fabric की quality भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. Also, you can mismatch with any color pattern. Next is this pink cushion cover. With the perfect pop of pink color, it is my second purchase. I love the floral prints in it and the fabric is too good. I got this dark green color chair cushions for my dining chairs. They are so comfortable. They can be easily secured to the chair with the help of the velcro provided, and it looks neater than the string ones. The fabric is durable and washable. Now these photo frames are my second purchase. They are super lightweight. You can display your photos or posters and hang them in the wall with the command strips. They are available in different sizes. These frames are also recommended by many artists. Now when in IKEA, don't miss their Aziz product section where you will find everything from discontinued items, gently used and even ex-showroom displays. These items are minimally used. This is a decor piece from this cacti set. I got one of them for a very cheaper price. It is a beautiful decor piece and perfect for my corner shelf. This candle is not a scented candle, and this too I have picked up from the Aziz section. I did not pick the candle because of its fragrance, but because of its beautiful jar. Now this gold flower pot was a perfect for this corner of my room. It's light in weight and gives a subtle gold bling to the room. Also, it was very affordable. I adore the color and texture of this throw. It's super lightweight, cozy and warm knitted throw. It comes in 3 to 4 colors. It's little pricey even though I bought it from the Aziz section. Now this 2 cushion covers what I'll be sharing with you was in my cart for a very long time. And guess what? I got them in the Aziz section. It is 2-sided cushion cover. You can style it in both the ways. It will add a little quirkiness to your decor. Next is this grey and white color cushion cover. It is such a gorgeous looking cushion cover. Now this one is an embroidered one. It can uplift your home decor to another level. And you won't believe मुझे ये कितने में मिली. I was very lucky in that, almost 1,000 rupees difference. Was there any mistake from the store side? बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है, मैं काफ़ी टाइम से आपसे बोलना चाहती थी बट बोल नहीं पा रही थी. वो है कि प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. बिना सब्सक्राइब करके मत जाना. I need your support. And that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next video super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.